Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel called Ongezwa. We have changed the name of the channel, but it's still the same content. So on today's video, we're going to be doing a curly hair bun. So we're first going to start by moisturizing our hair, and then we're going to detangle it so that it's easier to work with. So I just sprayed water and then applied the INUKA hair growth oil. You can apply anything that you have, and then over here I'm just brushing out the hair, and I'm also going to be combing it out just to make it manageable. And then I'm going to put my hair in a bun. Okay, the bun that I'm putting my hair in is the bun that we are going to attach the extension on. And over here, I'm just going to use my Eco Styling Gel just to make sure that there are no flyaways. If you want the hairstyle to last you for longer, because I just wanted to do mine for a day, if you want yours to hold longer, you can apply the styling gel in sections and before you tie your hair in a bun. But I was only doing this for a day, so I applied the styling gel on top just to make sure that there are no flyaways. And then I'm going to use this gel for the edges and also for the areas where I feel like I need an extra hold. If you have any hair that is not tied properly, you can use a pin to hold the hair or just apply more gel so that when you are covering your hair with your silk scarf or your durag, the hair can be laid properly. And then after this, I am going to cover my hair with the scarf just to make sure that everything stays in place and the gel dries. And then after the gel has dried, I am then going to start to put the extension. And then for the bun, we are going to use this hair. It is pre-used hair. You can buy a new extension or you can use the extension that you already have in the house. And then we're going to take a rubber band and then we're going to hook it around the middle of the extension to make that hook, and then you're gonna attach that to your own natural hair. Now the extension, we're gonna divide it into 3 parts. We're gonna take a smaller part, and then the remaining hair we're gonna divide it into 2 equal parts. If you want to, you can twist your hair when you're making the bun, or if you don't want to, you can just make the bun without twisting the hair. It's really up to you. And you can also make the bun without dividing your hair into 3 sections. Just divide it into 2 sections, a small one and the big one, and just make your bun as you wish or you see fit. But anyway, after you've done making your bun, you're going to separate the two smaller the smallest part of the hair. You're going to divide it into 2, and then you can use your scissors or you can use like a blade to cut the hair, but for today we're going to use the scissors. Okay, so for this part right here, you're going to measure how long you want the left out hair to be. If you want to, you can leave it at this length, but I wanted to cut mine. So you're just going to separate the curls a little bit just to make it more fluffier, and then you're going to measure where you want your hair to end. Now, very important, when you are cutting this hair, it's very bouncy, so make sure that you cut lower than where you want your hair to end. So if you want your hair to end by your nose, make sure that you cut it at least below your mouth or your chin, because it does just bounce up and becomes shorter. Don't cut it exactly where you want it to be. You can also use a pin to secure the hair in place if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, never say no to a crown.